Hey guys, Brad here again. It's my first actual video here, so this is what we're reviewing. It's an assembly line Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. It comes with the 6 wheels, 4 of them chrome, 4 of them flat. Then it comes with the Lamborghini itself and a screwdriver to put some of these parts together. I got this at Hobby Lobby. You can buy this at a craft store. At least in the US, it's $24.99. So, I also forgot to say this is a level 2. It's got level 2, 8 plus. You know, it's a 24. It's 1 by 24. Then on the back, it's all it is. So yeah, sorry I forgot that. So all the pieces now. So guys, I got all the pieces out. Wheels, interior pieces right here. Got the Lamborghini shell itself. Screwdriver. There's only 2 screws, so it won't be hard. You get the interior right here. Then that goes under there. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me putting it together. Okay, so I got all the major pieces in. The wheels, the interior pieces. Wasn't that hard. Got the door interiors, all that in. Got the exhaust out though. I'll put this in as a little time lapse for you. So here we go. Okay, so here it is. It's finished. I think it turned out pretty good, actually. The back exhaust had a little hard time going on. Other than that, it's pretty good. Little engine. The V12 engine this car has. Doors go up, like scissor doors the real Aventador has. Then there you go. That was my Aventador built. Now I'm gonna do a review of it. Okay, so here it is. LP700-4. It's pretty good. It's pretty good to assemble. It's pretty easy. Apart from the exhaust, well, that was a little hard for me, at least. I'm not gonna blame the brand. You choose your own wheels. I choose the chrome wheels. I think it looks good, but the gray and the tan interior, with the chrome wheels, I think that looks good. Shut the doors real quick. The trunk doesn't open though. But it's okay. I can deal with it at least. And this was a assembly line piece. Got at Hobby Lobby or just a local craft store. And there you go. You can have your own little Aventador. I saw F12 Berlinetta Ferrari, an old Gallardo, a Viper. And I even have my Corvette here that I got there at the same place. So there you go. Aventador I give out probably for an assembly I give that probably 7 out of 10. And visual I give that a 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. I'll read all your comments. Probably read them and comment back to them. So leave a comment, suggestion, like, whatever. Thank you for watching. Peace. Oh, and guys, I forgot. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good evening, whenever you're watching this. Thanks for watching. Peace.